What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man, when you guys pull up. It's a great day. It's a lovely day, and I hope you guys are having a great day as well. If you are new to the channel, you new over here, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And we're less than 200 subs away from giving away a pair of Air Jordan 11 gratitudes. It's gonna be one lucky winner. Just for me to show my thanks back to you guys. Been going crazy this year with the support. And we literally already hit 80,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's crazy, surreal. I really do want to thank you guys so much. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and to follow the rules for the giveaway, go head over to my IG, which is linked down below. And it's the pinned post with the Air Jordan 11 gratitudes. Give you all the details on how to win a free pair. And before we jump into this video talking about some early heat, go ahead and leave a huge like on today's video, man. Helps the channel grow, and it shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, man. Hey, man, y'all ready for these things? Are y'all ready for this heat? All right, man, here we have them, bro. You see the box, man. You guys see the box. Y'all see that color. If y'all usually see this color, you know exactly which sneaker, which collaboration, which brand we are talking about, and that happens to be Maniere, man. You guys see the A's all over the box right here. You got your Jumpman logo over here on the side. You guys see the official colorway. We have the Air Jordan 5 Retro SP, black, burgundy, crushed, and black. And I got these joints in a size 9. This is not a women's exclusive. You guys know recently with the Maniere collaborations, we've been getting a lot of, women's exclusive, especially with those Air Jordan 12s. But with these joints, we got that official men's size. You see that size 9 right there. And let's go ahead and get into them, bro. A lot of people are excited about this release just because this is the first Air Jordan 5 and Maniere collaboration. And I'm honestly pretty interested in seeing what these joints is hitting for. So let's go ahead and peel the top open real quick. And yeah, so on the inside of the box, you have Maniere right here. Be sure to hit you guys a lot of B-roll over the sneaker. And you have the Maniere tissue paper all over. So let's go ahead and peel these things back and check out the sneaker, bro. And 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out. There you have them, the Air Jordan 5. Manieres, man. These joints right here is low-key some heat, man. Pull both sneakers out of the box, and man, hey, hold on, bro, hold on, man. Nike, Jordan brand, Maniere, y'all definitely did y'all things with these sneakers, and it kind of reminds me of like a metallic Air Jordan 5. That's why I really think a lot of people are in love with the sneaker. And you do have the thin padding on like where the ankle portion is. Usually we get a thick, cushion around the ankle portion, but you got that kind of like that off-white hit with the thin material going all around, giving it that premium look, that premium vibe. And check it out, bro. Y'all know what we got on the back, man. Y'all see what we have on the back. You have Nike Air, bro, and it's like a 3D thick embroidered Nike Air right here, as you guys can see. And the quality, bro, hey, these joints hard, bro. I definitely can see these things doing a little something on the resale market and actually selling out, just because it is a very subtle colorway, man. You got your hits of burgundy crush. You got your, aged outsoles right here, as you can see. And of course, you have the Maniere logo on the outsole. I feel like over the last couple of years, using that age look, that age theme with certain sneakers, collaborations, and a lot of stuff Jordan has been dropping with the Reimagine line. I think it's a good thing, bro. I really love what they're doing, that age look. I think that it kind of started to trend upwards after, Virgil, touched a couple sneakers. And we started getting a lot of those, off-white, sail midsoles in our Jordan 1s. And then now here we are in 2023, end of the year, and we have literally a aged Air Jordan 5 Maniere, bro. When you're rocking your Air Jordan 5s, you have that yellowing, look on the side and inner panels of the sneaker. And I really do like how that joint is hitting, bro. Even you got the age pacifier lace lock on these joints, man. They went crazy on this release, bro. I'm telling y'all, you have to see it in hand to kind of get that excitement. And something I did not notice, am I tripping? Or is that Maniere logos on the actual siding of the sneaker? Maybe I'm tripping, y'all, some B-roll, but it kind of looked like the Maniere logo, if not just your regular netting that you get on the side of your Air Jordan 5. They did give us some extra laces. You got some sail off-white laces, and you have some white laces, but they come equipped in the black ones, as you guys can see. And you already know the full review on feet will be coming very, very shortly. I don't even know when he's released. I'm gonna put the date right here so you guys can know. It's another pair coming out, it's a white pair, and I am hearing that the white pair is a little bit more limited. And something I didn't peep, you do have Maniere on the air unit on the midsole. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but definitely the B-roll will be shown right here. But like, they got a lot of dope hits over the sneaker, man. And the thing I'm really loving the most is that thick 3D embroidered Nike Air on the back, and then on tongue, bro. You got your regular some Jumpman on the right sneaker, and then on the left sneaker you have the Maniere logo branded on the tongue. So I'll be wrong if I did not pull out the Air Jordan 5 metallics. You guys can see they didn't come like this. You guys starting to see that aging look on the Cajun of these metallic 5s. It came with that, you know what I'm saying, clear translucent mesh on the side and on the inner of the sneaker. Maniere pretty much did that for us already with the age look, with that, you know, yellowing hit on the lace lock side and the outsoles of the sneaker. So you guys let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 5 Manieres, man. I'm loving them. Maniere really been on a crazy upward trend the last couple of years, and this year alone, man, they dropped the Air Jordan 12 Manieres, the white and black pair. They dropped the Airships. They dropped in 2 pairs of Air Jordan 5 this year. I don't see them slowing down anytime soon. I'm loving what I'm seeing from Maniere. So you guys go ahead and rate these Air Jordan 5 joints down below in the comment section, 1 through 10. And I'm gonna save my rating for the full review and on feet that we gotta do with these. Hey, these is beautiful in my opinion. So I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's banger. And if you did and you're new to the channel, you haven't subscribed already, go and subscribe right now to the channel and hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. And please give a huge like, man. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. I know we can do it. That's easy for the Venture Squad. And man, the support will be greatly appreciated. So that wraps up this quick little unboxing, this quick little first look over the Air Jordan 5 Manieres. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, dog. Peace.